Good afternoon, everybody. No, I didn't sit here all night last night if you joined us last session yesterday, but we are still working on this super project with our Caesar scanner, and we've done a number of things since we've seen you last, and I wanted to update you as to where we are with the project. We've actually kind of started back now that we've improved and enhanced some of it, and I want to show you with the thing we focused on was the lighting. If you remember last time, we had this photographer's lamp, and it had a cover on the front of it, and it had an incandescent bulb, and it was giving us a kind of a brown light. And the more we shot, and the older the pages were, and it just really put a hue and a cast on it. So what we did was we went out and got an LED lighting system. It was just like 20 bucks from Home Depot. And these are 100 watts. Or 100 watt lights, and they're in that really bright light. So this puts out like 5,000 lumens. So I think that's the way to deal with this as far as the scale goes. So we're having a lot better results. You can actually see on the screen much better results on this at this point. The other thing we've learned is that we went to manual selection. We started looking back and forth, and we've realized now that we can kill two birds with one stone by cropping this, and instead of doing opposing pages and trying to figure out, especially if you can see how we've now used our sponges, right, that we talked about yesterday, we're now using them to kind of deal with these pages. I can tell you parts are falling off all over, so we've gotten our data back out, and we've done that, as well as we have another device that's like a lint roller, and we actually have been cleaning the lint off of here from time to time. The scanner does come with these thumb devices that you can hold, and it will eliminate out this mark. And we've played with them as well, so when you take it. However, we've just really found that this is working very, very well for us at this point. We're getting some excellent results. We're going to post some of the results up of a book that we had scanned. Somebody was asking some questions. In addition to that, I changed the hertz. It was on 50 cycle. I changed it to 60 cycle. We've gone up to highest quality. We're outputting into JPEG, although I have some other options available to me as well. So then what happens is all we need to do, if you remember, we're just hitting the button here. It will light up, and it will take the scan. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and flip the page, and we will then make a slight adjustment. And we're sliding over like so on this, and then all I'm doing is just sliding this up over, cropped, ready to go. And now I've got a really good, as you can see, don't have that overcast. I will tell you that if you do the opening pages, you want to make sure that you're perfectly lined up. We found out the sweet spot is right down there. There's some ridges in this device. You can count them and find the middle of the machine. However, this is really giving us the best results whatsoever. And then we go ahead and we take the shot again, and we're moving back and forth. Now we're getting really good results. We're moving very quickly. I'll finish this book in about 30, 40 minutes. And then tomorrow, take a look. We'll post up when we'll be back online. We'll give you some final results and share with you. Before we do part today, I want to share with you one other thing. We spoke about it yesterday. Somebody requested some more information. This is a true glass museum type of glass. It has about a 99% light transmission, so if you really want to get like a platen down and flatten out a page, you can see right there that it works excellent this way. And again, I can hit the scan, drops it all in, and it will flatten the pages out. And we've been using this as well on certain pages. Some of them we can't really do this on, but others we are able to do it, and it's working great. So I've got kind of all of my tools here with me. Got the thumb pieces if I need them. I've got my sponges, got the scanner, of course. We've got our glass, and we've got our lighting. And we are just cooking here. And so we're going to go ahead and get this result done so we can get it out to the customer as well. We'll share with you a few of the pages when we're all finished. Process is working awesome. More details to come next time when we show you if we find out anything else. But right now, lighting. Lighting's everything. So we hope that you'll have a good rest of the day. I'll look forward to chatting up with you tomorrow at some point, and we'll share with you the rest of the results.